Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to use BoostNote as a collaboration tool for text-based documentation. Developers need to write overviews of systems including concepts, terminology definitions, and descriptions of how these concepts work together. What if you can write your document with Markdown and with your team members in real time? Imagine how much would be easier for you to create text-based documents. Alright, let's get started! There are tons of documenting tools out there, but we believe that BoostNote's dev-friendly UX is the best for developer teams. First, BoostNote's editor is Markdown form, and you can even use Chart.js, Mermaid, LaTeX, and Plant UML among others. This Markdown editors allows you to embed third-party content like GitHub issues and iframes by pasting their URLs too. And it's real-time editing. You can write your document with your team members simultaneously, and it will help you to drive dialogue and exchange your ideas through collaboration. I will show you a little bit. I open same documents in different accounts. This Dark Theme BoostNote is my main account, and this Light Theme BoostNote is my sub-account Sasha's. And as you can see on the left side, when I change the cursor position, you can see that my cursor on right side is also moving around. And if I highlight one of the line, it will highlight on the right side as well. And let's say hello world. And you can see that right side is showing what I typed too. This is very convenient way to see who is writing what. Even if you didn't collaborate in real time, you can still exchange ideas and give feedback by posting comments. For example, if you highlight this one, and then this comment icon will show up, so you can click this one, and then you can type, "This is my comment," for example, and then after that, you need to click post, and you can see that this is highlighted. And also you can see that there is one comment about this section. And even if you close this side knob and if you click here, you will see that which one is highlighted, and if you click this one, you will see the comment. Do you see something is wrong with the document or edited by mistake? You can easily roll back to the previous versions from the version history section. To do that, you need to click these three dots and then after that history. You will see the previous versions and you can roll back from there. This powerful Markdown editor makes it easy to write the text specs. Lastly, the new property feature will significantly affect your document organizing process in a good way. For example, you can put labels to categorize it, put status and assignees to clarify the responsibilities, and so on. For example, I can say, "This is need discussion," and then add a property, put status, and then the status is still in progress, and add a property and assignees, then let's say that's my responsibility, and then save. By doing this, you can use sort and filter features to find your document much faster and easier. To use the sort feature, you can click this one, and then you can choose either latest updated, title A to Z, or title Z to A. For now, let's click title A to Z, and you can see that Electron documentation came to the top instead of React Mobile documentation. Next, if you want to use the filter feature, you can go to the Smart Views. After that, you can click the title of the Smart Views, and then click Add a new Smart View. Let's say signed documentation, and then you can add a filter from here and choose person, and then assignees, and then should be me. You can also add another filter, and then label should be documentation, and then after that, let's click create. And now I can see my Electron documentation, and from here, you can either add another filter or even you can add more properties from here. So let's add status, and then it's in progress, and assignees, and that should be me. After this, I don't have to dig in the workspace and try to find a document I needed. Instead of that, I just go to the Smart Views and then show this one and find the document I need to write immediately. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope I can help you learn how BoostNote can be convenient for your team. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve BoostNote, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. See you at the following tutorial. Happy coding!